Hi, you lovelies. So as I announced on Instagram, I am starting a small business shout out Sunday. So from now until Christmas, every Sunday, I'm going to shout out a small business that want to be shouted out, that want to have more orders come in ready for Christmas. And let's fucking help out some small businesses, okay? So, no further ado, here's the first one. She's left me a little thank you note, but also a discount code. So it's Joe10 to get discount, 10% off of all Mousse Melt products. Firstly, this whole box smells amazing. So I've got 2 pots of broken off bits. Rude. Can you see these little piggies? These are called super piggies. Stop coughing. Some more blue piggies. And these are called Comforting Glow. I swear. Red velvet cake ones. They actually smell like cupcakes. Twilight Wood Ghosts. Blue raspberry slush.